Right now, it looks as though the internet is quietly eating itself, and AI is what's making it happen. What we're seeing is something called the AI slop loop, and it starts with a simple problem. Machines are getting very good at producing content that looks right, that sounds confident, and is often completely wrong. What we used to call garbage in, garbage out. Here's how the loop works. Somebody uses AI to pump out large volumes of low effort content, usually designed to rank on Google or track clicks rather than to inform. That content gets published at scale. Search engines and AI powered search tools then crawl it, index it, and in many cases treat it as legitimate source material. Large language models absorb it during training or retrieval. Then, when users ask questions, those same systems confidently repeat the errors, the fabrications, or the half-truths, often citing sources that never actually existed in the first place. Now, the scary part is that output doesn't just go to humans. It goes straight back into the web. People copy AI answers into blog posts, SEO guides, social updates, and help documentation. Soon enough, the AI is learning from content that was previously AI systems invented. That's the loop. Each turn adds more noise, less original oversight, and fewer real human signals. Search engines have always fought spam, but this is different. Traditional spam was repetitive and obvious. AI slop is fluent. It uses the right terminology. It mirrors industry content. It can fabricate Google updates, SEO best practices, or expert advice in ways that pass a quick credibility check. Even experienced professionals can be fooled at a glance. What makes this worse is how trust works in AI systems. When an AI tool cites multiple sources, confidence goes up, even if those sources are all drawing from the same flawed pool of machine-generated content. Authority becomes circular. The model sounds right because it has seen itself agree with itself thousands of times. The result is a web that looks fuller but knows less. Original research gets buried. First-hand experience is diluted. Errors last longer because they've been repeated so often that they feel established. And as more people rely on AI summaries instead of primary sources, fewer humans are around to notice when something just feels off. This isn't just a quality problem, it's a credibility problem. If the loop continues unchecked, the value of search publishing and the expertise itself starts to erode. The web becomes optimized for production instead of truth. Breaking the loop means slowing down. It means rewarding human evidence, lived experience, and accountability. AI can assist, but it can't become the authority. Once machines start confidently citing their own mistakes, the cost isn't just bad content, it's the gradual collapse of trust in the information ecosystem we all rely on. That's why it's really important to understand how best to use AI. Use it for inspiration. Use it to give focus to your thoughts. But don't allow it to become the sole source of what you write. Ensure you retain your own tone of voice. Add your experience, your knowledge, your experience, your stories, how you stand out from the AI slop, how you communicate effectively with your prospective customers.